In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to recognize and avoid Chase Bank scams. So to recognize and avoid Chase Bank scams, be wary of unsolicited communication. So Chase will never call, email, or text asking for your personal information. So be cautious of these emails, calls, or texts claiming to be from Chase, especially if they create a sense of urgency. Then verify the sender, so check email addresses carefully. Scammers may use email spoofing to appear legitimate, and do not trust caller ID alone as scammers can spoof Chase's real phone numbers. Then never share sensitive information. So do not provide account numbers, passwords, or verification over the phone or email. Chase won't ask you to read back authentication codes via text. Then use official channels, so log into your Chase account directly through the official website or mobile app, not through links in emails. If you are unsure, call Chase using the number on the back of your card. Then be cautious of urgent requests, so scammers often create a false sense of urgency to pressure you into acting quickly. So take your time to verify any suspicious activity independently. Then watch out for some red flags. This includes poor grammar or spelling in communications. This also includes requests to send money via wire transfers, cryptocurrency, or gift cards. Another red flag is promises of unexpected windfalls or threats of account suspension. Then enable security features. This can include setting up account alerts for large transactions, using two-step verification authentication for online banking, and monitoring your credit report regularly. Then you can educate yourself by staying informed about common scam tactics and review Chase's official fraud protection resources. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe, but for now, goodbye.